Chapter 8. Introduction to Data Science. Introduction to data. Data refers to the raw facts or figures or observations which, when proceeded, provide meaningful insights, which are called information. This data has numerous forms, such as numbers, text, images, audio, and video. Almost every digital interaction or activity generates data from the websites we visit to the products we purchase. It has become an integral part of our lives and plays a significant role in many spheres such as business, science, research, technology, and many more. Classification of data. Data can be classified into different types based on its nature and characteristics. The main types of data include 1. Structured data. Structured data is organized and formatted in a structured manner, making it easy to store, retrieve, and analyze. Data stored in the form of rows and columns, such as databases, spreadsheets, and tables, are examples of structured data. 2. Unstructured data. Unstructured data lacks a specific format or structure, which doesn't fit neatly into rows and columns like structured data and makes it tedious to process and analyze. Text documents, images, videos, and social media posts are examples of unstructured data. 3. Semi-structured data. Semi-structured data falls somewhere between structured and unstructured data. It has some organizational properties but does not fit into the rigid structure of traditional databases. XML files, JSON data, and log files are some of the examples of semi-structured data. Types of data. Data is broadly divided into two categories, qualitative and quantitative. Let us learn more about it. Qualitative data. Qualitative data is descriptive and categorical in nature. It expresses qualities which cannot be measured through numbers. This data type is often collected through various methods such as interviews, observations, and surveys. For example, she is magnificent. There are two types of qualitative data: nominal data and ordinal data. A. Nominal data. Nominal data represents the data in the form of categories without placing it in any order. For example, the result of the examination may be true or false. B. Ordinal data, like nominal data. Ordinal data is also categorical but represents the data by ranking. For example, grades assigned to students by the teacher, such as A, B, C, etc., based on some specific ranking. 2. Quantitative data. Quantitative data, or numerical data, is measured using numbers. This type of data is often collected through various methods such as experiments, surveys, etc. For example, the height of the students and the distance between the two cities. There are two types of quantitative data: discrete data and continuous data. A. Discrete data. Discrete data are countable data. It comprises of whole numbers only and doesn't represent the value within the range. For example, the number of fruits in a basket and the number of students. B. Continuous data. Continuous data represents the data or value within a range, such as 5.2, 3.5, etc. These types of data can be measured accurately using the measuring scales. For example, height, weight, etc. What is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that extracts information and insights from structured and unstructured data, which aid in making informed decisions. It combines techniques from various domains, including statistics and computer science, to analyze data and infer meaningful insights from it. Applications of data science. Data science has an extensive range of applications across various industries or sectors. Let us discuss some of them. 1. Healthcare. Data science plays a vital role in healthcare. It is applied to predict disease outbreaks, discover drugs, and create personalized treatment plans using medical imaging data, genomic data, and clinical trial data. 2. Finance. Data science is used in finance for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. It can optimize financial investments and mitigate the risk of fraud using financial data, market trends, and customer transaction records. 3. Transportation. In transportation, data science is used for route optimization, predictive maintenance of vehicles, and real time tracking of traffic data. It involves analyzing the vast volumes of real time traffic data to understand traffic patterns and minimize congestion. 4. Education. Data science is used in education for personalized learning, student performance analysis, and predicting the students' outcomes. It involves analyzing students' data, learning behavior patterns, and assessment results to provide customized study materials and improve teaching efficiency. 5. Social media. In social media, data science performs sentiment analysis and recommends content to enhance user engagement.